Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. You are officially part of our family, and to everyone who keeps coming back, thank you for always being here. Now let's get straight into today's video. What if I told you that one of the most profitable businesses in Uganda is already living in villages, backyards, and small farms across the country? Lock chickens. The demand for indigenous chicken meat and eggs keep growing every year. Restaurants want them, hotels want them, families buy them for celebrations. During Christmas, Easter, weddings, and traditional ceremonies, prices can nearly double. Yet many people think you need huge farm and millions of shillings to succeed. The truth is you don't. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start a successful lock chicken business in Uganda, even if you're starting with a small budget. Watch until the end because I'll also review the biggest mistakes beginners make that keep them poor. Let's get started. Why lock chickens? Unlike exotic broilers, lock chickens are allowed for their taste. People believe they are healthier. Their meat sells at higher prices. Their eggs are also highly valued, especially for hatching. Better yet, lock chickens can survive Uganda's weather much better than many exotic breeds. They are hardy, resistant to many diseases, and can partly feed themselves by scavenging. Start small. Don't wait until you have a huge farm. Many successful poultry farmers began with only 10 to 20 birds. The goal isn't to start big, the goal is to start correctly. Buy healthy chickens from trusted farmers. Avoid buying sick birds simply because they are cheaper. Healthy birds grow faster and reproduce better. Number 2, build a good chicken house. Your chickens need protection. A simple house made from timber, wire mesh, and iron sheets is enough. The house should keep out rain, protect chickens from dogs, snakes, rats, and thieves, allow fresh air, stay dry at all times. Clean housing reduces disease and improves growth. Number 3, choose quality breeding stock. If your rooster is weak, your entire flock suffers. Choose strong, active roosters. Select healthy hens that lay eggs consistently. Good genetics produce healthier chicks and better profits. Number 4, feeding. Many beginners think chickens survive only by scavenging. That's one of the biggest mistakes. Healthy chickens need balanced diet or balanced nutrition. Feed them with maize bran, sunflower cake, silverfish, which is mokene, fresh vegetables, clean drinking water every day, and so on. Supplementing their feed helps them grow faster and lay more eggs. Number 5, vaccinate your birds. Disease can wipe out your entire investment. Vaccination is far cheaper than replacing dead chickens. Work with a nearby veterinary officer. Common diseases include Newcastle disease, gumboro, fowlpox, and coccidiosis. Keep your vaccination schedule. Number 6, keep the farm clean. Clean feeders daily, replace the dirty water, remove droppings, change bedding regularly. A clean farm means healthier chickens. Healthy chickens mean higher profits. Number 7, let chickens multiply. Don't rush to sell every chicken. Keep your best hens for breeding. A healthy hen can hatch several chicks every year. Soon your flock begins growing naturally. This is where real profits begin. Number 8, find customers before selling. Never wait until your chickens are ready. Start looking for buyers early. Potential customers include hotels, restaurants, local markets, schools, individuals, neighbors, churches, event organizers, and others. Some buyers will even reserve chickens before they are fully grown. Number 9, keep records. Treat your farm like a business. Write down money spent, feed costs, medicines, number of eggs, chicks hatched, chicken sold, profits earned, and so on. Good records help you identify what works and where money is being lost. Number 10, reinvest your profits. Don't spend all your earnings. Buy more hens, improve housing, purchase better feeders and drinkers, expand gradually. Small improvements every few months can transform a backyard flock into a thriving poultry enterprise. Now let's talk about biggest mistakes beginners make. Many farmers fail because they buy unhealthy birds, they skip vaccinations, they overcrowd chickens, they feed birds poorly, they ignore cleanliness, they sell breeding hens too early, they have no market plan, they fail to keep records, and so many others. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be far ahead of many beginners. And there is this question, like most people ask, how much can you earn? Profits depends on your flock size, management, feed costs, and market prices. Because lock chickens usually command premium prices compared with many commercial breeds, farmers who manage their birds well and consistently find buyers can build a reliable income over time. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, proper care, and reinvesting profits, a small flock can grow into a sustainable business. And remember, every successful poultry farmer once started with just a few chickens. The difference wasn't luck, it was consistency. Feed them well, protect them, vaccinate them, keep learning, reinvest your profits. One day, your small flock could become one of the most rewarding investments you've ever made. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who dreams of starting a poultry business in Uganda. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.